Now we're going to do another trick that we will explain to you at the end. For this, I'll need a spectator with a calculator. Here's my spectator. Do you have a calculator?
Yes.
Fantastic. What I'd like you to do is on your calculator, just multiply together any stream of, let's say, 10 single digits you like. So 10 single digits, multiply them together. Make sure I don't see the screen, and let me know when you've done that. I will look away.
Okay.
Go for it. Moment of tension and extreme excitement here. You good?
Yes.
Cool. Okay, don't show me the screen. Keep it hidden from me. What I want you to do, I'm now going to read your mind. I'm going to read your mind. So you can choose any one of those digits on that screen. Make it an interesting one. I don't know what warrants an interesting digit, but choose one and hide that from me. The others you can read out in any order you like. Relatively slowly, read them out in any order you like, and then at the end I'll try and tell you which one you're hiding from me by reading your mind.
Okay.
So read me out the other digits in any order you like.
1, 0, 6, 8, 0, 4, 0.
Okay. I reckon you're hiding the number 8 from me. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Isn't that incredible, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you very much for taking part.
Okay, we're going to do a quick speed calculation magic trick, and I have 3 volunteers who have their mobile phones out, and they're all switched to calculator mode. And could you all put in a 2-digit number? Don't show me what it is. You may pick your favorite or least favorite 2-digit number. What I want you to do is to then hit multiply, put in the same 2-digit number again, and then hit multiply and the same 2-digit number one last time, and hit equals. And what they're doing is calculating what we call the cube of their original 2-digit number. What they're going to do now is they're going to read out their answers. You're going to read out your answers. And I'm going to calculate for them the cube root, so the original number they started with. And if I get it correct, could you say yes or in some way confirm I did not get it wrong? And we'll do them. I'll do all 3 in quick succession. And could you read it out as like so many thousands and then the rest so I can visualize it? Okay, here we go. What was your answer?
I have 12,167.
So you probably had 23 as your first number. Thank you.
Yes.
226,981.
You probably had 61 as your number.
39,304.
You probably had 34 as your starting number. Yeah. And there you are. That is the cube root trick. So there you have it. There's some tricks you can do if you get anyone with a phone and get them to switch it to calculator mode. Now, we're going to explain these tricks. Well, we're going to explain up to 1.5 of those tricks for you.
Fantastic. My trick uses the very interesting fact that every number that is a multiple of 9 has digits that also add up to a multiple of 9.
It's a very interesting fact.
Very interesting fact. And I could be pretty sure that your final number was a multiple of 9 because you timed together lots of digits, lots of single digits, and all I needed was some combination of 3, 6, and 9s in there to get your final number to be a multiple of 9. I just need 2 numbers in there that have a factor of 3 to get your final number to be a multiple of 9. Then all I had to do was use that fact I told you about just now and add up all the digits as you tell me them, and then I just need to see what I need to add left to get to the next multiple of 9.
So for the one we did, you said it was 8.
Yeah.
So
they added up to 19.
Okay, and the next multiple of 9 is 27, and so you know it's 8. Oh, excellent. Yeah. So it's a little bit of quite straightforward mental arithmetic, and that's brilliant. Now, to half explain my trick, first of all, I need to admit that I can't actually calculate cube roots in my head. If you gave me a random number, I could not tell you the cube root. However, I've learnt all the patterns that occur when you cube a 2-digit number. And so if you give me a 2-digit number cubed, I can tell you what you must have started with. And I'm not going to explain exactly how it's done here, but I'll give you a few hints. For example, the very first number I was given ended in a 7. And I know when you have a number that ends in a 7, the 2-digit number must end in a 3. And in fact, you can work out, there's a wonderful pattern between the last digit in the answer and the last digit in the 2-digit number you started with. And a very good starting point to work that out is if you get all the 1-digit numbers and cube those. But beyond that, I'm going to leave it to you. If you get bored tonight, just start multiplying lots of 2-digit numbers together and see if you can work out those patterns.
Wow. Well, there's some magical examples of just how fantastic mental arithmetic can be. Go to mathematicalmagic.com for more maths, magic, and teaching resources.